Thank you. So in my 3 minutes, I'm going to talk about the future. We are at the beginning of what the World Economic Forum has called the fourth industrial revolution. We've had steam-based industry, then industry powered by electricity, and then we moved to the electronics age, and now we sit on the edge of a digital and technology-based revolution, where boundaries will be blurred and change will be fast. Fortunately for the UK, we are good at science and technology, and we're good at innovation. As my kids would say, this is our thing. So I'm delighted to be here at the Big Innovation Centre celebrations and to take the chance to acknowledge the contribution that Birgitte and her colleagues have made in developing and celebrating the culture of innovation. And I've particularly enjoyed talking to them, working with them on the IP exchange, for one thing, and the merits of purpose in companies. Our job in Innovate UK is to fund and connect businesses to help create economic growth and to underpin improved productivity. Since its inception, we've spent £1.7 billion and we've returned 13.5 in GVA. That's £7.30 for every pound that we've spent. We've supported 7,500 companies and created 7 jobs on average for each company we've supported. We've supported new technologies, the 8 great technologies and more. We've supported everything from blockchain that you just heard about to synthetic biology, from houses as power stations to satellite applications. And thank you to the Minister for that 1.5 million he announced earlier. All donations gratefully received. So listening to some of the ideas coming out of the Big Innovation Centre, I see opportunity for higher level purpose too. Our excellent research councils fund superb science, and we grow businesses built on that work. In this year's delivery plan, which we published last week, we described how we're simplifying our operations and how we're now engaging with businesses differently by sector in an easier way. Having done that, we're now working on our long-term strategy. So I've been asking my colleagues, how do we adopt some of the thinking from the Big Innovation Centre into our own long-term plans? In the face of the fourth industrial revolution, should we harness our investment in great technologies for higher societal benefit? I leave you with this as a challenge, as a topic for discussion perhaps. How do we create the trading platforms of the future, be that intellectual property or data or even energy or information? How do we incentivise the businesses that we've supported to work together to create the cities of the future, low carbon, harnessing the circular bioeconomy with intelligent mobility and support systems for our ageing population? How do we create the hospitals of the future with digital doctors perhaps and cell-based therapies? In putting together the National Innovation Plan, what behaviours and incentives do we need to ensure that the UK leads in the fourth industrial revolution? Thank you.